Hi everybody and welcome to Art at Home, week 1. This is Mrs. Bojack, and as you can see in front of you, our theme this week, optical illusions. In front of you are two of the most famous artists in this field. Bridget Riley, who is still living, she is in London, England, and Victor Vasarely is considered the father of op art. The op in art stands for optical, as in optical illusion. All of these pictures try to create an optical illusion. They're trying to make you feel as though it's spinning, or you're falling, or the lines are actually moving. And the elements we're sticking with are line and shape, and the art principle is repetition, because we're repeating these lines and these shapes over and over again. You're going to need to start today with a square piece of paper. You need a pencil, eraser, a straight edge or ruler, and you're going to need black markers. You can use Crayola, just be careful because it does smear. Or you could use Sharpies, and if you have a new Sharpie marker, this is the day to break it out. Draw a diagonal line from one corner down to the next, and then the other way. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to create a small square in the center. And you can use your straight edge. It's about the size of a penny. And then you're going to make another one. Now, if you notice, I'm starting at the diagonal line and I'm stopping when I get to the next diagonal. That's really important. The other important point is that you've got to do one square at a time. I tried to do all of these steps, all of these lines, and then all of these, and it didn't match up. Go ahead and start and color this one in black first, and then this whole row is going to be black. I'm going to switch from my fine tip Sharpie to my chisel tip, but again, you could just use any black marker for this. But anyway, so that's our optical illusion for today. And again, you can alternate if you want to. You can see it's a little bit different if you do it this way or if you do it this way. Okay. When you are finished with your optical illusion for today, I need you to take a photograph of it. You can take a photo on a phone or on your Chromebook, and I need you to upload that photo to the Art Google Classroom. Make sure that you push turn in so that I can grade it, and I cannot wait to see your art.